These videos are educational in nature and meant to help 21 and over adult smokers switch to a healthier alternative. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I am Matt.
And I'm your girl V, and we're back at it with another review for you guys.
Oh,
yeah.
Yes. Oh, yes. So we're going to check out another device from the Adjust brand. They've really been on the up and up. They had like that one where you could adjust the cooling, the one where you could adjust the sourness. There's another one I recently got where you adjust the sweetness that we haven't reviewed. But this one is called the MyFlavor, and on this one, you can adjust the two flavors that are matched and how much you get on one flavor or the other. So for example, if you have a pineapple and iced peach, you can have them blended evenly. You could have more of the iced peach or more of the pineapple.
Interesting.
3 different modes there when it comes to the flavor. And they do also have a burst mode and a regular mode. 20 mLs of e-liquid inside of here, a really cool and bright display. 50 milligram nicotine, 800 milliamp hour battery, up to 40,000 puffs, Type-C charging, and yeah, the one thing these don't have is airflow control though, so we'll see what you think about the airflow on these. So we're gonna start out with the pineapple ice peach. We'll do it with the middle. So right there when you get the 2 different triangles looking the same, that means that you got even amounts of both flavor. Do you want it on burst or regular?
Give me that burst.
All right, there you go. Pineapple, ice peach.
Fantastic. That's like pineapple and peach, fitty blend.
Yeah, it is. Burst, I mean, it's pretty warm for me. I've actually been using these without the burst. But you're more of a champ than me. You like that powerful vape.
I like that vape too, though. I mean, that's still pretty divine.
Yeah, I mean, you can definitely tell, you know, that that's blended about evenly. Now, obviously, if we press the button here.
Give me more peach.
You want more peach?
More peach.
There you are. We're on the more peach mode.
Delicioso.
Yeah, like you can still taste a little bit of the pineapple in there. It doesn't completely go away, but it's way more peach forward. Now let's swap it over to the pineapple only. There you are.
It seems like they choose flavors that complement each other.
Yeah. Like I like it at 50-50.
That's good too.
Definitely more pineapple. I like it in the middle, honestly. I think it's blended well in the middle, but it's cool that you can, adjust it to how you like it. Keep in mind, there's, likely 2 different tanks of e-liquid inside here. So if you only used it on the higher peach, you're going to start running out of that flavor, and then you'll have more pineapple left over. So you'd have to go over to the pineapple and use it that way. Or you could use it in the 50-50 mode, and both, liquid tanks will drain at the same amount. All right, up next, and this is one I've been interested to try because a lot of blue razzes to me are like too raspberry forward. This one is blue razz. So you got blueberry and raspberry. Let's start it even, 50-50. There you go.
That blueberry really complements the blue razz. Or raspberry.
One of the better blue razzes.
Yeah, it's really good.
Like 50-50 is actually really good. It's not too raspberry heavy. You've got some sweet and sourness in there. I really like that flavor. Now, this doesn't have airflow control, but it's like a medium to loose draw. You still like this draw, right? It's not a super tight draw. I would say it's more like a Geek Bar Pulse, wide open, something around there. Now, let's try this one. Blueberry heavy. There you go. I am going to get a big neck buzz from this video.
The flavors just complement each other so well that you can do more of one or the other, and they both just taste fantastic.
Yeah, that one's definitely more blueberry heavy there. You still get a tiny bit of the raspberry. Let's go raspberry only. There you are. Or heavier raspberry.
Yeah, can definitely tell the difference, but still delicious.
That is what I would call like a blue raz with too much raspberry, though. Like if you like a lot of raspberry, then you would like it like that. With this one, again, honestly, I like it blended in the middle. It's cool that you can, go one or the other, but I think it's a really good blue raz when it's 50-50 like that. Okay, finally, we're going to try orange strawberry. Let's go to burst mode, 50-50. There you go.
That's really good too. You get the strawberry, you get the citrus from the orange. A really good blend.
Yeah, not too orange heavy, which sometimes when you have an orange in a flavor, the orange is a little punchier. That one's good as well. Let's go orange heavy now.
Orange heavy. Very citrusy. I don't know if I could do that one. But with the strawberry, it complements it really well.
I agree. I like it a lot better 50-50 than just orange heavy. And then let's go strawberry heavy.
See, that's more up my alley. That's like a strawberry with a hint of citrus.
Yeah. Really good. I would, on that one, again, go 50-50. It's cool that you can blend these to how you like it. Maybe you want to do more strawberry heavy, and then once the strawberry starts running out on that tank, you want to go over to the orange if that's your jam. You do have a liquid meter for both of the flavors, which is cool. One thing to keep in mind, if getting into pros and cons, is that if you only like one of these flavors, like you only like it strawberry heavy with a hint of orange, you're going to end up wasting some of that orange because the strawberry is going to deplete, and then you'll have more orange, and you'd have to either vape that or throw it away or whatever. So you got to make sure with these that you like both flavors. Any other cons that you could think of?
It doesn't have airflow control, but I like the airflow on this device.
Yeah, if you like a medium to loose MTL draw, something like a Geek Bar Pulse wide open, something like that, then that's about the airflow on this. And even me who likes a little bit tighter draw, I could vape this. I vaped almost the whole device here. So obviously it didn't keep me from enjoying it. Going into pros though, mouthpiece is comfortable. It's a nice device. The flavors on these from Adjust have always been fantastic. They make really freaking good flavors. The display is really nice and easy to see. You got a liquid meter, you got a battery meter. It's a good device. The one thing, like we said, no airflow control, and you're gonna have to like both of the flavors to get the maximum out of this. So all in all, great device. Definitely one I'm gonna continue to use. I'm sure she's gonna steal one as well. Like we always say in these videos though, we would never suggest to anyone to only use disposables. We think they fit certain use cases, good for new vapors dipping their toes in, good for seasoned vapors that want a supplementary device, but keep in mind that refillable gear is always more cost effective and there's less waste. But I think that's it. Very nice job, Adjust. I'm looking forward to trying their My Sweetness one as well. We vaped the shit out of the sour ones. Those were really freaking good. So anyway, that about wraps it up. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on Matt from SMM with your girl, V.
Oh, whoa.